Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial. And to change the default location where Windows saves your screenshots, you first need to create a new folder in the new location, which you're gonna call screenshots. Alright? And then you need to go to the default location where your screenshots are currently saved. And this is usually found in this location up here, as you can see. And then you need to right click on your screenshots folder and click on properties. And in here you need to click on location and then click on move. And now you just need to find your new location. Click on select folder. Click on apply. And now it's gonna ask you if you want to move the files, which I want to do. And once it's finished, you can just click OK. And if I now take a new screenshot, as you can see, it's now saved here. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support me, then subscribing would make me really happy.